Welcome back to my channel. It's 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔. I'm so glad you made it back. Today we're going to do something fun, something self-care for our hands and our nails. We're going to do some press-on nails that's fun. I picked these up from Etsy, and these nails are by Press by Manny. I'll have links below of everything I'm using today. Here is my bare nails, and I like to treat my nails at home, especially since we are in this particular time of the world. We want to make sure we take care of ourselves at home. Everything that I'm showing you will be linked down below. I have some cuticle oil. I also like to use 𝓁𝒾𝓀ℯ rain bath for my hands, and also Dove scrub, and 𝐵𝑒𝑠𝑖𝑛 almond shea butter scrub for my hands, some glue, and the nails. And here are the nails. They are beautiful. I love nail art. This gets me through my winter glam looks, and I love them, and I hope that you love this look as well. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. So right now what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and add some 𝓁𝒾𝓀ℯ shower gel to my water, and I'm also going to add some cuticle oil as well to soften up my cuticles. I'm going to take my 𝐵𝑒𝑠𝑖𝑛 almond scrub, and I'm going to scrub my hands. This way you can go ahead and defy anti-aging by scrubbing your hands and your cuticles. This softens up your skin and relieves your skin of a dead layer, and it makes your hands look younger. This is a secret, so I hope you take this tip with you. I've been doing this since I was 12 years old, and now I'm in my 40s. So I've been scrubbing my hands. I scrub my entire body, and I feel exfoliation definitely aids in anti-aging. So you want to definitely get you some scrubs and scrub your body with it, not only your hands but your whole body. And this particular scrub is vegan. I also like to use Dove scrub because it gives you that layer of moisture, and it locks in everything that the scrub just did. So I like to use the scrub, get it in between my nails, in between my fingers, and just go ahead and pamper myself. And your hands feel like butter when you're done. Just try it, and if you tried it, make sure you leave me a thumbs up and comment below and let me know if you love this particular type of video. I can do more for you. So here's my hands after, and like I said, my cuticles are perfection because I take care of them. And I want you to take care of yours as well. So now we're going to file down our nail beds, not too hard, not too rough, but we're going to take that shiny layer off. We're going to file each nail. And that's how they look with all the powder on them. I'm going to take some alcohol and go ahead and clean them up, get all the powder off, and get started on the next step. Next, I'm going to take this cute little pack that came inside the nail pack, which was from Press by Manny, and this is my first time using Etsy nails press-ons. I usually use my kits, but I said I wanted to try some fancier nails, you know, custom made, and these were actually not custom. My size is a medium, and I went ahead and got the square ones. So I wanted a fun design because this year has been rough, so I wanted to do some really pretty nail art, and here they are. They have a gingerbread theme. So I'm going to go ahead and get them in line, test them to see if they fit my nail beds, and get them lined up so I can go ahead and glue them on. Right now I'm doing my sizing to make sure they fit. Everything is good. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue to the back of the nail as well as my nail bed. Not too much, about 3 or 4 swipes, and press it down for 20 seconds. These are also reusable. You just soak them off with some warm water, and they came off beautifully. My nail beds are in really good shape. I like to keep them that way. I do my own nails, and I take care of my own hands at home. I haven't been to the salons in years. I don't have to go because I can just order my nails right online. So I hope this tip helped you out a lot. You don't want too much glue. You just want to do a couple swipes on the nail bed and as well as the back of the nail, and just hold it down for about 20 seconds, and boom, you're done. I really love the nail art that this particular nail artist used. It reminds me of a sweater and peppermint candies and winter glam. So I hope you enjoyed this look. Please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye everyone.